Today we're making kebab. We have in here chopped onions, grated potato, coriander, and chopped chilies. And my mom's adding some garlic and ginger paste. Medium spice.
My baby girl, can you see me down here? I know it may look like I'm drowning, but somehow I got through this year. Tash, wipe away all your tears. No girl, don't be worried, remember you taught me to live without fear. You believed in me when I didn't believe it. Night after night telling me I could make it. We traveled the world, never separated. I'm so lost without you. And every night when I turn out the lights, I see you shining somewhere in the dark. But tell me why you can't just spend one night back down here in my arms for one last time. 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 Now I'm closing my eyes. Take me back in time to the first time we kissed at that bus stop in Hammersmith, route number 9. And I'm so glad that I could make you my wife. I'll always remember the feeling when I saw you walk down that aisle. Oh, you believed in me when I didn't believe it. Night after night telling me I can make it. We traveled the world, never separated. I used to fall asleep in your arms. And when I was lost, girl, you gave me focus. You gave me strength when I was at my lowest. I gave you everything I had, hope you know that. And I want the whole world to know that every night when I turn out the lights, I see you shining somewhere in the dark. But tell me why I didn't get to say goodbye or just hold you in my arms for one last time. 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 And with your final breath, you called out my name. You left me behind, but I know that we'll meet again. So Tash, if you hear me, I promise I'll keep on singing. I promise I'll keep believing, 'cause I still feel your spirit.
Chili flakes.
And every night when I turn out the lights, I see you shining somewhere out there. And tell me why you can't just spend one night back down here in my arms. Just one last time. One last time. One last time. One last time. One last time.
Oh my goodness, give me that kind of reddish colour in it, did you? Oh, now she's adding in another pan into the shell. Now it has way more than you think. Oh yeah, this is is how it looks like after we mixed it.
So this one.
It needs to be patty. You add in the onions right now.
Really put there.
You add in the onions. And it's kind of getting the colour from the chili. And the flakes are getting flavors getting inside the onions. That's what we want. And here's our leftovers from the other dinner. Looks so yummy, but we're gonna add into the fried rice. You need it to be golden brown. Oh, yeah, we don't look good. Some red chili, mixed powder, turmeric powder, dhania powder, some more mixed powder.
Saya rasa dia lain. Saya rasa.
Now we're adding some basic, simple sample, dark soya sauce. Just dark soya sauce. Just to give the colour. Just to give the colour and the flavour.
When giving soya sauce, make sure you not give too much salt, as soya sauce already has salt.
Oh, and the kebab is pretty much some chicken, some leftovers. Now
And some rice.
the rice. And now add some salt.
It's bit some salt.
What is all basic? At least I
Stir
kept
it
the
right.
spaghetti in it. Kebab. Then golden brown. That's how we kind of want it. But we need it to be dark. We're gonna flip it.
Oh.
And the kebab. It. It's a little. And now my sister's mixing it still. My mom's just chopping the chilies. That we got the pizza. And everything.
Add some coriander and done. Chop the coriander.
So here's the last look of all the food.
Yeah, we finished it all. The kebab,
Yes,
the
we made some
salad, and
the kebab,
the
and
fried
the
rice.
fried rice.
We don't eat it.
So yeah, anyway,
The salad looks like the most nicest one. It's really fried up.
Zayn, stop picking on the food. Yeah, so we're gonna be serving all of these to everyone.
Yeah, we're serving the fried rice to everyone. The yummy fried rice. I already kind of tried for tasting it. And
yeah, so this
it's
is
for
we're having
dinner.
this for dinner. Already. But we're serving the kebabs. That's enough. That's enough.
We're giving 2 each to everyone.
I'm not letting.
We're getting...
You can another plate. Can play any kind of
Oh, ini kah halal?
Can you? How do you like the food?
The food is very nice. It's so tasty. Like the kebab is very nice and soft. The fried rice is nice and you can taste the spice as well.
Do you find it very spicy because you don't like spice?
No, it's not very spicy. It's alright. It's nice.
What about Zayn? How do you like the food?
The fried rice has a lot of flavour in it. The chicken gives the soft kind of texture to it. And the kebab gives the soft patted texture in your mouth. It feels so mouth exploding. The salad, the lemons give the kind of like tangy feeling that adds up to the taste. And if you combine them all together, it's just gonna be mouth-watering.
Zayn, I put cucumber in it. Did you notice?
No. I hate cucumber though.
So this is how everyone's plate looks like. It's actually really tasty. Everything came out perfect. Yeah, so if you comment down below if you do try this recipe out and if you liked it, and please like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.
We the future. We'll see you in the... It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said